Sir, nasanay na po kasi ako sa Baroque bow hold. And mas comfy ako mag-play gamit yon. Okay lang po ba na mag-stick na lang ako doon o need ko pa masanay sa Franco Berjan? Sigurado ka bang Baroque bow hold yung hawak mo? In a sense, kasi Baroque bow hold is not entirely different from modern bow holds. No? So, ako, I can't call my bow hold Franco-Belgian bow hold, no? Kasi, even my teachers in college before was not really considering my own bow hold na Franco-Belgian. Sabi nila hindi daw ganon. But yung turo sa akin na bowing was really from my professor. So, basically kasi pag sinabi nating bow hold, pwedeng mag-iba-iba yan. Depende sa itsura or depende sa kamay mo. So, may mga taong mahaba yung kamay na maliit yung palad. May mga taong malaki yung palad, maiksi yung daliri. Diba? So, maraming factors. But the thing is, kailangan mahawakan mo ng ayos yung bow. Hindi siya nalalaglag and you're not giving any tension, especially an upward force pataas. Kasi ang gusto natin sa bow is it glides onto your strings na nandun lang. So, I'm not sure kung anong ibig mo sabihin sa Baroque bow hold mo. Are you holding it in the middle of the stick? Ganun ba siya? In a way? Or are you saying nakita mo sa pictures ganito yung itsura ng Baroque bow hold, so you considered your hold Baroque bow hold, no? So there's so many things that could happen. I'm not saying there's one right way to hold a bow. What I'm trying to say is make sure the form is good, walang sumasakit, walang nangangalay, and you are able to transfer all the pressure, power, or whatever you call it, from your body to your bow to the strings. Kasi ang mahalaga, ang ending naman nito is makatugtog tayo ng maganda. No? So your bow hold, whatever ano yung itsura niya, whatever you wanna call it, as long as it's proper, you're not adding tension, unwanted tension to your fingers, to the bow itself, di ba? That is fine. So, siguro ipa-check mo din kung may mga teachers na malapit sa'yo, pa-check mo yung bowing mo. Kasi much better. Kasi if you just say na ikaw may Baroque bow hold ka, saan mo binebase yun? Where did you learn it in the first place? Diba? Kasi to have a Baroque bow hold is basically the same thing. Usually, iniiba lang yung pwesto. No? Especially kung gagamit ka ng modern bow to hold the bows na parang Baroque style. No? So, yun. Try mo lang hanapin yung pinaka-comfortable ka. So, you don't need na to label your bow hold as long as it works for you. Bakit kaya walang Filipino bow hold, no? Kasi these schools came from their countries kasi ganun yung build nila, no? They were built like that. Even Italians have their own style. Even the Russians, diba, had their own style. French and Belgian techniques weren't really Franco-Belgian nung unang panahon. It's just that magkakaiba kasi sila ng pinanggalingan, magkakaiba yung way of thinking. Bakit mga Pinoy, di ba? Gawa ka kaya Pinoy bow hold. Tingnan natin kung effective ba siya. Because we're not tall people. So baka effective yun sa atin, di ba? Baka may specific way of holding the bow. Tayo as a nation, as a race, maybe something like that. So try to find ways to make it work for you.